Good morning to another market open stream. Today I'm going to be talking about how a Bitcoin rally may be imminent right around the corner due to a new double shakeout pattern identified.
Okay, so you gotta love the permables, but this is what you'll see in these bear markets often, folks, that the YouTubers start to grasp at straws, especially the permable YouTubers. They have to think of a reason to, if you're a permable, you have to come up with a reason when to let people know when or why we might be pumping pretty soon. So now they're just basically making stuff up off the top of their heads. Double shakeout pattern, give me a break. Another thing you'll also see in these bear markets is even BitBoy Crypto is doing it. You'll start to see the word manipulation, price manipulation, keeping the price down. Oh, it's not going off the cycles. It's basically the big players. They're buying and selling. They're trying to keep down the little guy by manipulating the price. All stuff we heard a couple years ago in the bear market. When you start to see price manipulation, stuff like that, it's just you're appealing to the losers of the market. You know, I come from stocks. I used to be in stocks as well. Stockbrokers make fun of people talking about the manipulation. Yeah, there are big players buying and dumping and trying to bring down the price, but that's the market. But when you have to start blaming the manipulation for the price, it's basically saying, oh, I can't win. And it's because of the manipulation. It's not my fault. It's just the lowest kind of denominator. So I like to see that kind of stuff because it's the same stuff we saw a couple years ago in the bear market. And while I do think we have much more bear market to go and lower prices, you just have to remember that's what people do. They're getting desperate. Oh, why is the price low? It's manipulation. Oh, we could be pumping at any moment because of the double bottom pattern or whatever. And you can Google. There's plenty of other YouTubers. I mean, news stories. This is all you see right now: price manipulation and people trying to come up with reasons why we might be rallying soon. And honestly, we probably should have a little bit of a dead cat bounce or a little bit of a rally soon because Bitcoin's been down for the last 7 weeks, and that is true. You know, there should be a rally back up to 35,000. But it don't look like it because the stock market's pumping and Bitcoin's not pumping, folks. And that's pretty much what's going on. Bitcoin is very weak right now, very weak. And I do think that $25,000 to $20,000 Bitcoin is coming, and these alts are going to get hurt really bad. That's why you have to have that money on the side. Very important. Another thing I'm seeing, you have to remember, folks, a lot of these altcoins are down 90, 95%. Metaverse coin, MetaHero, it's down to a penny. It was at 26 cents. VeChain's down to like 2 cents. It was at 26 cents in the bear market. There's people telling you, oh, now's not the time to be accumulating altcoins. These same imbeciles were telling you to buy altcoins 6 months ago when VeChain was 20 cents, when Cardano was $3, you know, when Ethereum was $4,000, they were telling you to buy altcoins. Now the altcoins are down 95%. They're telling you, oh, don't buy altcoins now, just buy Bitcoin. Folks, these people are imbeciles. This is when you buy the fucking altcoins. Do you understand me? Yes, you can buy Cardano right now at 46 cents, and it can go down to 25 cents. You understand that, right? But it's going to be fucking $10 in a couple years. In 2 years, Bitcoin will be 100,000. Cardano will be $10, $10. You do the math. Now, yeah, don't buy an altcoin that has nothing behind it and it's run by a bunch of scammers. Like I wouldn't be buying Tron. But these fundamentally good altcoins that have been around for a while, even like Litecoin, that have survived multiple bear markets, this is when you buy them. This is it. This is when, folks, you're not going to get the bottom because you're going to tell yourself, I'm going to buy Cardano. Oh, I'm not buying Cardano at 46 cents. I'm going to wait till it hits 25 cents. It's going to hit 25 cents. You're still not going to buy it. You know that, don't you? You're still not going to buy it. So start cost averaging now. This is when millionaires are made. You got to, I mean, yeah, buy Bitcoin too. I mean, Bitcoin's safe. Yeah, buy some Bitcoin, hold it for 10 years, see what happens. I mean, and to be honest with you, I think in 10 years, Bitcoin will be worth zero. Ever heard of quantum computers? The minute the Bitcoin blockchain gets hacked, it's all over for Bitcoin. It will go to zero like Terra Luna did in 24 hours. This is risky shit. Bitcoin is risky. They're all risky. These are all risky, folks. So if you're going to go risky, do it right and get the altcoins that are going to 50x. Sure, hold your Bitcoin because maybe Bitcoin will be worth $1 million in 10 years. But there's no guarantee. It could easily be worth zero. Anything could happen. Even if there's not quantum computers, something could happen to the blockchain. Ethereum could take it over. Cardano could take over Bitcoin. You saw with Terra Luna how fast this crap can crash. This is all risky crap. Risky, risky, risky. But if it plays out like it has for the last 14, 15 years, you can 50x your money. So, like I've been saying in my previous videos, now is the time to be buying altcoins. Cost average. Sure, own some Bitcoin too, own some Ethereum. Now's the time to be going in. We have no idea when the bottom is. We could get a flash crash down to $25,000 tonight while you're sleeping with your teddy bear. You're sleeping in your bed, you got your little teddy bear, and you're cuddling with your teddy bear. Bitcoin hits $24,000 in the flash crash while you're sleeping. Your Cardano goes down to 25 cents. You're dreaming about Mary Poppins. Your Cardano's down to 25 cents. You wake up, it's all over. Cardano's back up to 60 cents. You missed it. It's over. That's why you got to be cost averaging now. And I do like the idea of putting buy orders. Like you want to put that buy order for Cardano at 25 cents, but I like to be able to watch things crash. Like I have alerts on my phone. Every time Cardano drops 10%, I get a beep on my phone. Same with Bitcoin. I have all these alerts set because I don't like to just put these buy orders in. Because what if I put a buy order in and it goes a lot lower? Like you don't know. Like I don't like to just like, oh, I'm going to buy Bitcoin at $20,000. But then the thing drops down to $8,000. I mean, I like to be able to monitor the situation. I do buy orders sometimes, but I like to be able to watch. And a lot of this stuff happens when you're sleeping. A lot of these crashes happen when you're sleeping. But the fact of the matter is, Bitcoin's weak. We're due for a rally, but there's no guarantee we're going to get it. The downtrend we're on looks like $25,000 is coming any moment. And your altcoins are already down 90%. So if you don't own any of these altcoins, now's the time to be getting in. Not all in, but I'd say 50, 60% in and then cost average from there. Now, I have plenty of money on the side, as should you. But all these YouTubers telling you, oh, now is the worst time to buy altcoins. No. This is when you buy altcoins, folks. These same YouTubers, when we're back in alt season, are going to be shilling all these altcoins when they're up 500% from now. If you don't believe me, go watch their YouTube videos. There's a track record here. We have a track record. And they're all full of shit. And they're always wrong. I'm not right either, folks. I'm just a regular guy. But at least I have some common sense. I wasn't peddling Luna and UST that got people wrecked. And probably people committed suicide over it. All these big YouTubers were. Their goal is for views. I don't even care about views. I'm just doing this for fun. Like, this is for fun. Yeah, I'd like to get views for like a little YouTube thing I'm doing. But it's just like a fun game. They have to put out the sponsorships and the Hopium and the Bybit links because that's how they make all their money. I couldn't imagine making all my money from YouTube. I mean, that's like embarrassing anyway. Like, don't like get a job, you know, like do something else. But anyway, I digress. You should be buying your altcoins right now. Buy some Bitcoin. Every time Cardano, for example, drops another 10 cents, I buy more. If it drops down to 10 cents, I'll buy it all the way down to 10 cents. But these coins are already down 90%. Now's the time to be buying. There's no manipulation. There's no double top theory. We're in a bear market. Bitcoin pumps and dumps. It's probably going to go down to $20,000. It's due for $20,000. If it follows historically all the other bear markets, we're going to go below $20,000. Don't believe the conspiracy theories. Now's the time to buy. Buy these fundamental altcoins that have been around for the last couple years and have survived bear markets like Cardano, BNB, Ethereum. What else we got? I would buy Neutron. Don't buy Shiba. AVAX is down so much because of the Luna controversy. AVAX is a great buy right now. Why not? Litecoin. I mean, everything is down so much. Like all these altcoins, it's time to be nibbling right now, or not even more than nibbling. It's time to be like going in 50%, and then from there, every dump, buy more. Not financial advice. I'm just a regular guy on the internet giving my opinions. But that's what I would be doing, and that's what I am doing, and it worked out for me last time, and it's going to work out for me this time, regardless of what anybody else says. If I listened to all the advice of people 4 or 5 years ago, I would have done really horrible. And you also have to know when to take profits. If you bought your Cardano at 25 cents and we go up to $3, $4, take some profits at that point. Take 50, 60% off the table. Keep the rest. If it gets to $10, sell some more. You have to take profits. Because if you didn't take profits and you've been in since 2017, you've lost all your money. Everything you bought is pretty much down 90%. So that's why you have to take profits. It's very simple, folks. And that's why I'm going to do these YouTube videos. I'm going to give people advice on when they should be selling. If you bought Cardano at 46 cents, goes up to $3, $4, sell half right then and there. Half, you're out. Keep the rest in there. And that's exactly what I did, and I was able to pay off my house. Now, by holding the rest, I'm down a lot, just like everybody else. But at least I took my profits and I got something out of it. Got a house and a car. Pretty good for a guy who barely made it through high school. And next time, I'm going to buy another house and another car. Or hopefully 2 houses. And I'm just going to build up my real estate net worth. And that's what you have to do. Don't listen to anybody. Just use common sense. Follow the 4-year cycles. Things are depressing. Things are miserable right now. The world sucks. That's when you make money in crypto, folks. In 2 years, maybe even next year, but I'm shooting for 2 years. We're going to be back in that bull market, and you're going to be kicking yourself in the freaking ass for not buying these coins at these prices. Yes, they could go lower. I expect Cardano to go down to 20 cents, 25 cents. But what if it doesn't? I'm going to be sitting holding my balls with nothing. So I'm putting half my money in, or 60% of my money in right now. I got a lot of Cardano at 38 cents, 45 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents. I've been buying it all the way down. And I will continue to buy it all the way down. Same with my theta. And Solana, I'm looking for $25. Because Solana will be $1,000 in the next bull run. Anyway, folks, that's it for today. A little bit of a rant. But just use some common sense. You know what's coming down the line for crypto. You know it's not going anywhere. You know all these coins are going to skyrocket. Now's the time to be buying. Don't get scared. Don't be afraid of the altcoins. Now's the time to be accumulating altcoins. Sure, Bitcoin as well. But have your altcoins too. This is when you buy. Not when they go up. Not when Cardano hits $1 is when the jackasses on YouTube are going to tell you to start buying it again. Fuck them. Use some common sense.